All right, we are Team SPOTLOC, and our app is called SPOTLOC. There are a lot of people who either struggle to find a job or who want to earn money on the side. There are also a lot of people who aren't able to, or just don't want to do certain tasks like mowing the grass, washing the car, picking apples, etc. Any kind of task as long as it's appropriate, really. This also helps teenagers as they are able to find work easier, since usually there's a requirement for secondary education, which most teenagers don't have yet. And so this is our solution.
Our solution is a mobile application that connects teenagers with job seekers with job givers, and there is hold on, some technical difficulties on our side. All right, our solution is a mobile application that connects job seekers with job givers. There's option to create profiles and post job listings that teenagers will apply to. And we have built a review system that lets job givers review the quality of the job and explain what the job seeker did, and they will appear in the profile page. And there's also star system, which is rating system, and it shows the average of the reviews post, the average result of the reviews.
SPOTLOC is made for people who want to earn money by doing different tasks and people who want someone to do certain tasks for them.
All right, we are going to show the application now. And this is a job seeker profile. And I'm a teenager looking for a job. Here on the homepage, I see a job that I want to apply. And there's also an option to see jobs based on location on the map, to see where exactly the job is located at. So I'm going to apply, and I'm gonna log out and see from the job giver screen. I'm gonna go to my jobs and view applicants, and I see the SPOTLOC profile that has applied to my job. Here we can see the phone number of the applicant and the distance between us. This guy is pretty far from us, but since we are testing, we are going to accept that. Here pops up a button that says that job has been finished, and I'm gonna press it because the job, we are going to assume that the job has been finished. And I'm gonna submit the review. Okay, here I can see my reviews from the jobs I have done previously. And I would like to mention that everybody can create jobs, and we have made it very simple to create a job offer. So there will be more jobs on our application. I'm going to sign in from the job seeker account again and see that I have a new review that has popped up here. On the profile page, we can see how many jobs I have done, how many stars I have gotten, and how many jobs I have given to other people. We have also tested this application in real life, and The results showed that teenagers are very interested in this product since in summer they have very they have a lot of free time to do the tasks, and they would be very interested in this application. Thanks for your attention. Does anyone have any questions?
Thank you for your presentation, SPOTLOC. I can see a hand up from Sasha.
Thank you so much for your presentation. That was really interesting, actually. I'm sorry, I will be the boring person to ask actually 2 questions at the same time. First one, how many people have you tested it on?
I have tested on 4 teenagers, and they all said that they would be interested in the product.
Okay, great, thank you. And the second one, once again, I'm sorry, I know this is a boring question. What's the monetization model? How are you planning to get money from that?
The plan is to have a monthly subscription for job seekers, so they can use our platform. The first month will be free, and they will see how many jobs they can get. And further on, they will have to pay us a monthly subscription fee so they can use our platform.
So there are not going to be any payment from the side of those who are offering any jobs. So for them, it's going to be completely free.
Yes.
Okay, interesting. Thank you.
That's because we wanted to have more job offers, and it wouldn't be like very nice from our side to ask money for posting jobs.
Valid answer. Thank you.
All right, thank you. I can see 2 more questions. One from Strike. What about taxes? What if the job's pay is less than a minimum salary?
Yeah, that's how it should be. And these we are talking about small tasks, short-term jobs, and for example, lawn mowing. The job seeker will go to the job giver house and do the task there, and they will get paid like very small amount, but it will add up in some time.
All right, hopefully that answered the question. So 3 more questions from Elchin, 3 of Sharpies, and then Mara. So let's start from the beginning. Elchin, I can see you're writing, I raise my hand. So do you have a question?
Yes, I have a question. Thank you for the presentation. I have a very technical question. So what is your stack? Can you please name the technologies you have used to create, because it is quite interesting application.
Yes, we are using React Native Expo for mobile application. For our website, we are using Next.js and Redux, and for backend, we are using MongoDB, Express, Node.js, TypeScript, and TypeScript is used everywhere, and that's our programming language of choice.
Okay, and where did you deploy this? Is it like deployed online or in local host now?
Backend is deployed on Heroku. The website is deployed on Vercel, but the mobile application has not been finished and hasn't been deployed yet.
Thank you. Thanks.
All right, thank you for your questions. The next question, does the job giver see the location of the person who does the job?
They can see the job, the location of the job seeker. They can see the distance between them, and that way they can have more options to choose if they want to accept.
All right, thanks. Mara, you also see the hand up.
Yes, thank you for your presentation. Just a quick question: what kind of payment system do you use? How are these job seekers paying for the job, or do they use some kind of system built in your app, or do they like give in cash? How is this happening?
The plan is that the job seeker will get paid in hand, but they will have to pay the monthly fee in our application, and that will be integrated with the Stripe payment system.
All right, Thank you. I can also see that there is a discussion going on in the chat about these salaries and stuff. I can see Peter writes that the minimum salary is calculated monthly for full-time employment, so that's not the case. And Olga, the tutor, says just an idea or like suggestion. Maybe it could be a great tool for self-employed freelancers to collect all the deals and control the money flows. Anyway, thank you so much, SPOTLOC, for your presentation. I guess we are moving on right now. Thank you.